This is a quick video on stress and strain, the deformation of rocks. So what is deformation? Deformation is an alteration in shape or structure of a previously normally formed part. There are many different types of stress and strain which affect deformation. Firstly, there's lithostatic pressure, which is similar to hydrostatic pressure in that all the forces exert onto an object at all the angles at the same time. So they're all pushing equally inwards. Next, there's differential stress. This is broken up into three parts: tensional, compressional, and shearing. Tensional is stretching to an extreme angle. Compressional would be compressing. And shearing would be exerting a force at one side and then the other at different points. It's like that. Strain. Strain is where you pull or stretch something to an extreme angle or damaging degree. So I've got a plastic bag for this. Elastic deformation is where an object is moved or pulled out of shape, but can move back into its original position, provided it doesn't go past its limit. So I can use this with spaghetti. Oh shit. Plastic deformation is where a rock is bent or moved by stress and strain beyond its yield point. This change is irreversible. So if I can pin that in, it's not moving back, is it, on its own? Brittle deformation. This is where both the plastic and elastic properties of an object has been reached. This is usually caused by differential stress. So I can use this by snapping spaghetti properly this time. Temperature is also important in rock deformation. If the rock is cold or brittle, it will just snap like that. Whereas if we heat it up for a bit, it will start to bend more. See, like that. Speed can also determine the deformation of a rock. The faster the full force of a stress or strain is put on the rock, the more likely it will brittle fracture, for example like that. Whereas if we do it slowly, it can bend more before it snaps. If we do it quickly, it will just snap. This is because it has less time to compensate for the force. Whereas if I use this piece of paper and do it slowly, it has more time to form properly. This is more likely to be a plastic deformation. This action creates folds. Yay! So what can be summarised from all this? There are lots of different factors affecting the rock deformation cycle. Each of them could have major impacts on each other, which could change how the rock is deforming altogether. Thank you for your time.